Hey guys, thanks for tuning on in. If you're new, hi, I'm Ansley. This is That's Really Pretty. We discuss a lot of makeup, a lot of beauty. We'll be doing some fashion very soon. I'm filming this early August. This is going up late August, and I will be moving in September. So very soon, we'll be doing some fashion stuff. If you're not new, hey, what's up, what's good? Thank you for coming on back. I do appreciate the support, not only on here, but across all of my social media. So drop a comment if you want to chat about this video or any other videos I've uploaded, or just life, or say hi to my cat. That's all good. And if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so if you enjoyed this or any one of my other videos. Okay, so I have to be honest. I just tried to film a product that was so bad, I'm not even going to upload it. I'll tell you about it now, and I'll mention it like in my monthly misses. I'm gonna hold on to it just to mention it in my monthly misses video. But this is the Body Shop Shade Adjusting Drops. This is the lightning one. It's terrible. It's really bad, and I do not recommend it. I'm not even gonna show you guys how to use it because it's just not worth it. So I'm gonna hold on to this for a couple of weeks, but yeah, today I'm also going to film. I was hoping to have like my makeup already done. No, we're just gonna do eyes first. I'm gonna show you guys how to do a beginner friendly blue smoky eye. Blue is speaking to me right now, so I put on my little like white and blue top. These earrings are from Urban Outfitters. I've got some fake nails on that I did myself. I went to CVS and got like those like generic fake nails. These were medium and they were squared, so I shaped them myself. I originally painted them pink, and then I did blue, and I was like, well, these are so amazing. I want to paint my nails a different color every day just so I can see how great they look. I know, obnoxious, very obnoxious. Anywho, we're just gonna stay with the blue. So I do like them. I'm very excited. They're not much longer than my normal nails when they grow out, so it looks very believable. So very excited about that. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eye using the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish primer. I'm also going to use a palette that I've never used before. This is the BH Cosmetics, what is it? Weekend Festival palette. When this came out, it was really popular, and then I bought it not too long after it came out, but it's been sitting here for like 2-3 months. Probably closer to 3 months. So I'm going to use that today. The brushes I'm using are not interesting enough for me to tell you what they are, so I'm not going to waste time on that. We're just going to jump into the tutorial. So I'm going to try to only use this palette. I'll show you it. So I'm thinking this color, and this color. And then for transitioning colors, I might use this and this. This is mostly a shimmer palette. So from that perspective, it's going to make doing this video a little complicated. I'm going to go in, I think, with Candy, this kind of like peachy shade to start. So hopefully this is a good palette. We gonna see. And I'll zoom in if I haven't done so already on my eyes, so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna put this all over my eyes. Okay. So yeah, Candy's a little shimmery. Not too bad. You can still use it as a base shade. So, right in the crease. Oops. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm like, got my head towards the table. Sorry. Okay. Next I'm going to go in with Escape. I'm just going to build that up a little bit. There we go. Put my palette right here. The focus will be mostly blue, but I do need to build up a bit of a transition shade. So it's a shame I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to wipe this right off. Right off. Okay. Alright. That's fine. That works. I'm going to go in with this brown shade here. It's called Hipster. Just on my outer V. Sorry. I'll let my brush up. Hopefully you guys can see that. Just doing a little bit of something. I'm not putting too much on. Again, I want to focus mostly on the blue, but I'm gonna darken this up just a little bit. I mean, this is even like a pretty everyday look, but of course we're gonna do blue. We're gonna stick with blue. I already said it. I put it out into the universe. Blue is the color of the day. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with Trance. It's this deep blue shade. All right, I gotta think this through. I haven't thought this look through yet. I just decided to turn on the camera, see what I come up with. Ooh, okay, all right, Ansley. We're getting somewhere. Look, orange and blue is one of my favorite color combos, so I'm just gonna build this into the crease, sweeping back and forth motions. I don't know, since this is beginner friendly, because I only do beginner friendly makeup, I'm not gonna like build this up too much. Yes, you can make it very vibrant. I admire other people's makeup when it's super vibrant. I don't like it on myself. So I'm also gonna go back over that brown. Hopefully that should be a little bit darker because I laid that brown down. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely not wearing this look anywhere, but maybe I'll watch my video later and recreate this look. So I'm just gonna I will say blue is easily one of those colors that you can over blend it and then it just doesn't look good. So we're definitely running into that issue here. Just gonna add a little bit more of that in the crease. Okay. Let me see. Next we're gonna go in with this like kind of bluish color, Palooza. Just gonna put that directly on my mobile lid. Pop that right on there. I might go back in after should we go back in with the blue? All right, I'm gonna go back in, not fan this out so much. I'm just gonna pack the blue. I'm gonna look up a little bit. I'm gonna pack the blue all along there, just so it pops a little bit more. See, when I do looks like this, it makes me think I'm actually not horrible at doing my makeup. I'm kind of proud of how this is turning out. I'm just gonna pack that on there. Okay, and then to finish this look, see, this is very beginner friendly, you guys. I got you. We're gonna go in with the shade Ultimate. Just gonna pop a little bit in my center of my lid. Oops. And this is why we do eyes first. I mean, would I wear this to work? Absolutely not. I would not wear this to work. Would I consider wearing it on the weekends? Yes. Yes, I would. All right. Now, we're going to do under the eye real quick. I'm going to go in with that same brown shade. It's called Escape. Just really lightly kind of go under the eye. I don't know if I really want to bring any blue under my eye. I probably should. This brown's not really showing up down there. All right, I am gonna bring the blue under my eye. So I'm gonna go back in with Trance, this dark blue shade, just on the outer part. I'm not a professional. Oh my gosh, okay. Just gonna put a little bit. Oops. And then I'm not doing, well, actually I'll finish my face. I'm gonna just put a little bit, color switch my eye a little bit, and just kind of put way too much on that side. All right, I'm gonna go in with that brown color again and just pat it under my eye and kind of like bring the two together. All right, that doesn't look horrible. Okay, all right, so I'm going to then do some eyeliner with my new best friend. This is the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. I can now do cat eyes again because of this. So I'm just gonna do a little wing action on both sides. All right, I'm gonna cut away and do this and I'll be right back. Okay, and then to top my look off, I'm gonna be using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I really like this mascara. I've been using it every day since I got it, so Just gonna pop that on. I really like this look. I don't really do bright, colorful looks anymore, but I might post this on my Instagram. I might do that. All right, I am gonna finish my face and then I will be right back. All right, I'm back. That took forever to film. So I'll put a picture of what my face looks like right here. I was just saying in my other video that I filmed, I'm using the Milk Makeup Matte Foundation. It's really nice, but I haven't used this in a while, and it's actually more goldeny than I remember it to be because I don't use it every day. So my foundation is a little off, just a little off, but I was doing an updated color correcting video, so check that out. I talk about these two products here, and then I just did the rest of my face with face stuff. So powder, yes, powder. Let me remember what I used. I used the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. I bronzed my face with L'Oreal Glam Bronze, and I contoured with the Sephora Colorful Contour in the shade First Touch number 36. And then for concealer, I am still testing this out. I think it's a good color, but I just don't like the way it looks on top of my foundations. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. So those are all the products that I use. Like I said, I think the foundation is just a little too orange, but that picture should have been posted or inserted by now so you can see what I look like when I look at myself in the mirror. Alright guys, that is going to round out this video. Hopefully you enjoyed my eye tutorial. I enjoyed putting it together. It's kind of a shame I'm not going anywhere, but that is the life of someone that films YouTube videos. I can't always do my makeup as I'm walking out the door. Sometimes I just gotta do it to do it, and then wash it off and get back in bed. Alright guys, so take care, and I'll see you guys later. Have a great rest of the day, or whenever you're watching this. Stay well, be well, and enjoy makeup. Alright guys, take care. Bye.